Here we are outside number 36, a lovely 2-bedroom village house with a little courtyard garden. So this house, including agency fees, is €91,390.
Wow. I see what you mean about work to be done.
Yes, but it's quite a good size room.
Yeah. This property is really a doer-upper.
Yes.
From the start.
I think we, as you can see, really, we have a lot of our clients actually, one of the key rooms they really want to make beautiful is their kitchen.
Absolutely, yes.
Because I think when you come here, there's so much beautiful local produce and things like that. So to make the kitchen the sort of heart of the house would perhaps be the first thing you'd want to do in here, as you can see. And the whole space altogether, we've got 65 square meters. So it's compact and bijou, maybe. You could make it look like a really lovely little village apartment because you've got 2 bedrooms upstairs. There is a bathroom. You've got a downstairs loo.
Yeah.
There is a little sort of back kitchen in there. That needs a little bit of work doing to it as well.
So if you're watching this and you're seriously considering moving to France, but you don't know where to start, go in the description links below and schedule your appointment with us, or you can use the QR code on screen. We can help you move, but more importantly, we can help take the stress away. And so you can focus on what's important, which is living your dream life in France.
So out here, we've just got a little courtyard. So a particularity of this village is on this particular street, quite a lot of the houses are sort of built into the rock face of the chateau.
Oh,
so
yes. Let's talk about the elephant in the room.
The feature. There's a couple of things you could do here. This is the gas tank for the central heating.
Okay.
So quite unusual to have it. A lot of people have oil, or they've moved on to have maybe a pompe à chaleur. So you may decide not to keep it, in which case you could change for a different form of heating. Yeah. Honestly, in a house of this size, probably a really good wood-burning stove might be enough, depending on how you're going to use the property. Look at this.
Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, my goodness. There we are.
There we are. In the height of summer, it's full of hollyhocks, this lovely hibiscus. So if you had something like that in that courtyard there, you know, you can imagine just arriving on your bike when you just got back from the bakery. And there is the chateau right on the doorstep. A bit more modern up here. So this room's quite nice on the back, obviously looking out over that garden space.
Oh, you can see the...
Yes, if you open the window, you can look out and see our chateau again there. Yes, so with those shutters open, obviously you're looking out onto these beautiful trees that surround the place in the middle.
And I imagine a market happens
on a Sunday morning. Yes, we're lucky enough to have a little market out here, and it's creates a little bit of hustle and bustle, brings people in.
Sorry to interrupt this video, but if you're thinking about moving to France, but this is going to be quite a few years away from now, but you just like to find out where the perfect spot for you guys is in France, well, you can use our Region Matcher service. This is going to be the perfect service for you. You're going to give us all of your information on what your hobbies are, what your kind of weather you like, what kind of activities you want to do. And our experts are going to match you with the 3 top regions and create a specific digital map so that you can review this and also have a call with myself for 45 minutes to discuss the region that we've matched you with and the reason why potentially this will work for you. So without any further ado, go in the description box or use the QR code to purchase your Region Matcher service.
This is a village that is effectively sort of a listed village. So anything that affects the exterior of the house, so even changing the colour of the windows or the shutters or changing the render on the front, you have to apply to the mairie. I don't know if you want to try and have a look up here.
Yes. Oh, it's massive potential. It's open the entire size of the house with a very decent head height for ever such a lot of it.
So we're 65 square metres for upstairs and downstairs, not including...
Not counting the attic. Something for somebody with a bit of courage.
Yes, definitely.
A little bit of time.
Bit of time.
Fabulous for a handy person.
Absolutely.
And if not, it would be a matter of finding some reliable artisans, getting a quote for materials and work, getting a timeline, and having some great ideas.
Yeah, definitely.
Fantastic. Thank you, Katie.
My pleasure.